Hey guys, I got tired of the summer heat, so I went looking for a good portable air conditioner. Here's my top 10 best ones from AliExpress. Number 1, Adula 14,000 BTU. Powerful cooling for large rooms, excellent dehumidification, quiet sleep mode, best overall, $293. Second place, Ace Cool 12,000 BTU. Strong cooling, good dehumidification, convenient remote control, accurate value, $257. Third, Shinko 8,000 BTU. Quiet operation, compact size, reliable cooling for small rooms. And best budget pick, $193. Fourth, Adola 8,000 BTU. Compact and quiet, easy to move, good dehumidification, practical choice, $184. Fifth, Dewey Desktop Air Cooler. Double spray mist, ice cooling, very quiet, perfect for desk or bedside, $35. Sixth, Ilho Wall-Mounted Air Cooler. Wall mount design, rechargeable battery, ice cooling, space saving, $26. Seventh, Cooling Fan Air Cooler. Large water tank, multiple speeds, colorful lights, ice cooling support, $37. Eighth, 3-speed portable air cooler. Good tank capacity, RGB lighting, timer function, quiet at night, $32. Ninth, Duha Double Spray Air Cooler. Double mist spray, large tank, ice cooling, nice airflow, $29. And 10th, Portable Ultrasonic Air Cooler. Touch controls, 6 speeds, strong airflow, modern design, $32. All these portable ACs actually help beat the heat. Links on my website, check the description of the video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.